but a blink of an eye, on a grain of sand, on an endless beach. Our lives, just a minute snapshot of time, in the vast, almost incomprehensible distances of space and the immense span of time stretching behind us for almost 14 billion years, and ahead for untold trillions more. And therein lies the paradox of our very existence. Everything in our lives at this immediate point of time is so important. Our loved ones, our joy, our pain, work, money, all the myriad facets of our life. And yet in the great expanse and time of the universe, our lives, and indeed the entire human race, are insignificant. But this need not be a melancholy thing to consider, but on the contrary can be quite liberating when thinking of life, death, the universe, and human existence. If you consider the sheer vastness of the universe, of what is around us, the distances involved and the time needed to traverse that expanse, our own Milky Way galaxy is around 100,000 light years across. We would have to travel at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, for 100,000 years, just across our own galaxy, one of trillions of galaxies, themselves separated by tens of thousands of light years. And this is only the part of the universe we can see from the Earth, the observable universe. Nobody knows how much more is out there beyond the limits of the sight of modern technology. What we see may only be a fraction of the universe in its entirety. Each of us is made up of atoms, like everything else in existence in the universe. In our case, 7 billion of them, which were created in the death throes of a dying star. These atoms of which we are made were once dispersed across the universe, and after we die, when even our bones have ceased to exist, once again they will dissolve back into the melting pot of existence, to become part of the great whole of the universe, as they once were, and we shall become part of many other manifestations of atomic marriage, not only on our own world, but eventually across the universe. Our time as conscious, thinking, emotive entities is utterly insignificant in the great scale of time and space, and yet so precious. Our blink of an eye, this very day, can never be given back to us. Every day is special, every day a gift, every life an opportunity never to be repeated or replayed. And when our mortality confronts us, and we face the inevitability of death, and all that we are and have been in this minuscule snippet of time, when it comes to an end, we shall become part of the whole again, and live on as we lived before, as part of the very fabric of the universe. What you do now in this life, the love you give, the compassion you show, the enhancing of others' experiences, the differences you can make to your own inner contentment and happiness, this is the gift we have now. That is the paradox. It will matter not across space and time, but it is this moment, right now, in this millisecond of trillions of years, that you hold in the palm of your hand, this precious, unique, insignificant moment.